Hey guys, welcome to Token Red Fox. Today I'm gonna show you this energy booster non-bake flapjack. It is gluten-free and vegan friendly. Let's get to it. Mix 200 grams of oats with 100 to 150 grams of coarsely chopped nuts and sunflower seeds. I add 2 tablespoons of fruity linseed mix. You can omit it if you don't have any, it's optional. Handful or 2 of dry cranberries. Now in another bowl mix 120 grams of dandelion honey. You can use maple syrup or honey. Add 140 grams of peanut butter and 120 grams of coconut oil and melt it. Add a pinch of cinnamon to your dry mixture and pour in your melted blend and mix it properly. Now place the mass into a baking tray with parchment paper and smooth the surface up. Cover with parchment paper as well and place some heavy book on top. This step is necessary because we want the result to be compressed as much as it can be so that it doesn't crumble too much. After maybe 20 minutes, place the baking tray in a fridge or for quick work into freezer. Meanwhile, melt some dark chocolate with a coconut oil. And when the flapjack hardens up, spread thin layer of peanut butter on top. I use 2 tablespoons, but feel free to use more. After that, pour the melted chocolate on top and evenly smooth it up. Place it in the fridge and let it cool down. I usually keep the flapjacks in fridge, or I wrap individual pieces in cling film and freeze it. It defrosts very quickly, so I like to have some on hand when we're going to bike ride. And that's it. Enjoy!